Okay, first tip, you start with your left foot on the floor, your right foot on the brake, the rear brake, so you have to brake so that you don't fall back. You start in first gear, foot on the floor, and then you pop the clutch and pull your back and pull back your bike. Just like this. Start just like this, just pulling the bike back and get it on the floor again. Like this. You practice this with your rear brake a lot of times, so that you develop the instinct of braking before you fall backward. Like this. Pop up, brake. Pop the clutch, brake. Brake. Pop the clutch, brake. Start like this. It's simple. Brake, brake, brake. Pop the clutch, brake. Pop the clutch, brake. Pop the clutch, brake. Just like this. After a couple of times, a couple of hours, I don't know. In my case, it was in a couple of hours. You start to get the feel of the rear brake, and you prevent yourself from falling backwards with your rear brake. That's when you start to try to get the wheelie a little bit further. Just like this. First gear, foot on the floor, right foot on the brake, pop the clutch and try to get a bigger wheelie. Not like this. Forward. Like this. Right foot on the brake, left foot on the ground, pop the clutch. Just like this. Start small. Small. Small and easy. Foot on the ground, right foot on the brake. Just like this. Okay, you practice like this a couple times, a couple minutes, hours. Then, when you feel that you got yourself a little bit of confidence on your ability to brake with the rear brake and not fall backwards, that's when you start to pop the clutch without the foot on the ground, like this. First gear, slowly pop your clutch. Pop and brake, pop and brake. Brake. Start small. Just like this. Then, when you feel yourself a little bit more confident, you can try and get your wheelie a little bit longer, like this. Go slowly, brake, What do I... Listen, this is what I do specifically. I am always with my foot on the rear brake, always braking. And when before I pop the clutch, I brake, then pop the clutch. Just like this. Okay, so let's go. Try and do a big one.